Hi everyone, welcome back to the family. If you're new here, my name is Lizzie and you're welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also, if you would like to book some time with me to speak to me one-on-one, you will see a link either above or at the bottom of this video. You will see a link directly to book some time with me to discuss any finance matters you would like to speak with me about. So today we're just going to do a bit of a reminder about our challenge for 2022, which is the 1 penny or 1 cent challenge. And I'm sure a lot of you may be aware, if you've watched my previous video on this 1 penny 1 cent challenge, if you watched my video at the beginning of January on this challenge. And so I just want to remind everyone, we're on this challenge together. If you've missed a few days, that's fine, you can still catch up. And if you're new and you haven't actually seen the video, I'm just going to encourage you to watch the video. It's basically about us saving for the year and having a pot of money at the end of this year. So I will also put the link to that video at the bottom of this video, or it'll be at the top somewhere. So please don't forget, this is the 1 penny 1 cent challenge. And yes, everybody can do it. It's not going to be something that's going to bring too much infliction or too much pain on anybody's financial pocket. It's just a fun way for us to all save, and we can also do it with our children as well, as a fun way to encourage them to start saving as well. So the 1 penny 1 cent challenge video, if you haven't seen it, please do go and watch it. And if you are a bit behind, that's fine, you can still catch up. Just tick off the days that you've missed by putting the money inside and you're back up to speed. So yeah, 1 penny 1 cent challenge. I'm challenging you if you've not already started, and if you have already started, well done, and let's continue on this journey together. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, God bless you all and goodbye.